Let's see if this Earalure, should you buy this weight loss product, weight loss earrings or not? I will show you with proof. So let's start. Is this a scam or not? First thing on the website, you will see they are claiming all these things like this. They have magnetism in this product and they reduce your yeah, fat and all these things. They have also written that this has been certified by FDA and ISO and all these organizations, but in reality they are not at all certified from these authorities. If you don't believe me, you can search FDA approved all these things. You will not find even a single page where they have certified this. So that is the first thing. And they are also claiming that they have got around scientific research done and all these things, but in reality I will tell you about this later. But you will see they have got some reviews here. You cannot believe these reviews because they can easily copy paste images from Google and all these platforms to make you believe that this earring works, but in reality this is not the truth. Now the most important part, so this is not something of a unique product. This has been sold by different brand names. Like you can see on eBay itself, there have been hundreds of brands selling different types of rings and earrings, bracelets and all these things for weight loss. Does this product really work? No, this product does not really work. You can also check out this video by Factly, and this person has told you how this product does not work really, and the scientific research behind this product, does this really work or not. You can check out this video by Factly and you can see